We're going to do number 37 from section 2.7, number 37. And to get started here, I'm just going to draw this thing here. Because there's too many lines here, I'm going to ignore this bottom section. And I'm looking at this line right here, and this line, and this transversal. And so I can easily identify these angles now as consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles, if the lines are parallel, which they are, consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So that means that I can add these two angles together to equal 180. So that means that the 2x and the 96 together equal 180. Now I have my equation to solve for x. So let's go ahead and do that. Minus 96. Minus 96. 180 minus 96, I think, is 84. So 2x equals 84. Divide by 2. X equals 42. Okay. All right, so I found my x. Now I'm going to ignore what I was doing over here on this diagram, and I'm going to grab this shape here. I'm going to cover over this side this time, and I'm looking at the parallel lines and the transversal. These are parallel because it's got those. I know it is. Even if they don't look parallel, since it's got those, that means they are parallel for sure. And so I've got my parallel lines, I've got my transversal. These are also consecutive interior angles, which means they are also supplementary. So for this one, I'm going to add these up again to equal 180. So I know that I can put them together. Equals 180. So I'm going to do the 3y plus 44 plus the 94 equals 180. The 94 and the 44, I'm going to add those together. So 3y, and let's see, that'd be 138, I believe. And subtract 138 from both sides. So I'm going to get right here 3y on this side. 180 minus 138 would be 42. And then divide by 3. So y is, that goes in that, so it'd be, what is that going to be, 14? So x is 42, y is 14 for problem number 37.